If we want to install Node.js on our Windows operating system, whether that can be Windows 10 or 11, first of all we need to download the executable file for the Node.js. So for that reason, simply open a web browser and search for Node.js, download. And from here we need to go into the official website, which is nodejs.org. Then we will get two versions of that. One version is LTS, which is recommended for most of the users, and we will install that. LTS stands for long-term support, and current contains the latest features. Whatever we would install the LTS version. So as I'm in a Windows operating system and my computer is 64-bit, I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So if you are also using a 64-bit operating system, simply click here, Windows installer.msi. But if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then you need to download this. Alright, I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so I would simply download this. Simply click on this and the download process will start. After finishing the download, I will get this type of executable file. Simply double click on this and the installation wizard will appear. Simply click next. Check this box which says I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Keep it as it was by default. See program files node.js. Click next. Keep it default. It would also add to the path by default. Click next. If you also want to install the necessary tools alongside it, you can check it. I'm gonna check it right now. Click next and click install. After now you can click finish. And this will install the additional tools which is required for Node.js. Press any key to continue. You can press any key you want. I am simply pressing enter. It is simply downloading the chocolate. Now if I want to simply check the Node version, then I can open any terminal I want and I need to type node-v. That would return the Node version. So that's it.